Racing just started. We have Bumpy Road. Break quickly restart Lord Gold. In between horses now is Serenata. Then next on lane is Fisher Champ. Then followed over by Dragon May. Rushing up now Arianza is California together with Green Street. Then next on line is entering with 9 Like to Win. And going along for the first turn, we have Lord Gold now takes command. Dragon May in second. Serenata. Bumpy Road comes next. Green Street. Then comes Luck to Win. California comes next. Then followed over by Simple Beauty. Alongside now is Fisher Champ. 24 Horas. Holy Treasure. While Dugo Sprite now racing in 12. Back to the leader. We have Lord Gold maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Serenata in second. Bumpy Road now trying to get closer in third, and in fourth now is Dragon May. California Luck to Win running by the really Simple Beauty. Fisher Champ. Green Street. Then comes 24 Horas. Holy Treasure, while entry number 2 Dugo Sprite is still running at the tail of the field, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Lord Gold by about 2 lengths. Bumpy Road in second. Serenata. California is on the outside. We have Lord Gold by a length and a half. Bumpy Road is down on the inside. California is on the outside. Lord Gold, Bumpy Road, California on the outside, but it's still Lord Gold followed by Bumpy Road, and finally Lord Gold, Bumpy Road, California. Holy Trish goes with Dragon May. Then comes Simple Beauty.
Nako. Yan ang mali.